Today's topic, rise of liquid using forces. Last video I explained about these details by pressure method. So same answer, so we have derived with the help of forces method. Now let us see. Again, consider a capillary tube is a deep inside the liquid. Say this liquid is a water, and let R be the radius of both. So that is a, again you can say about that R be the radius of capillary tube, and H is height of liquid column. So now this one is the height. So here this one is the meniscus. H is the height of liquid column. Rho is density of liquid. G is acceleration due to gravity. So now this water rises, which is against the gravity. Theta is angle of contact. T is surface tension of the liquid. So when you are thinking about surface tension of water, so we know about that. So 72%. Now see about details. हा meniscus आहे वॉटरचा. जेव्हा पाणी यामध्ये कॅपिलरी ट्यूब मध्ये डीप केला असता, तो पाणी या ठिकाणी असा वर राईज होईल, इथपर्यंत येईल. तर हा इथे मी दाखवलेला हा meniscus, म्हणजे या meniscus पासून इथून एक लाईन मारलं तर इथून ते वॉटर सरफेस पर्यंत जो हाईट आहे त्याला मी एच म्हणलं, त्याला म्हणलेलं हाईट ऑफ लिक्विड कॉल. थीटा इथं कसं काढलेलं आहे? टेंजेंट ड्रॉन टू दी सरफेस ऑफ meniscus and with solid means glass at the point of contact. The point of contact इथं आहे, measure inside the liquid. थीटा आणि जी आपल्याला माहित आहे acceleration due to gravity. Radius of capillary tube, radius of capillary tube. T is surface tension of liquid. या मध्ये ना बघूया यामध्ये किती फोर्स ऍक्ट होतात. तसंच मी याला एक्सटेंड करतो असा हा. सो नाउ दिस हियर T is, so now T surface tension is in this direction. Therefore this angle is theta, hence this angle also theta. हा theta झाला, हा काय झाला T cos theta. हा T cos theta adjacent side, म्हणून opposite side काय असणार? म्हणजे हे साइड, हे T sin theta. क्या सांगायचं याचा अर्थ काय? हे बाबा हे जर असं घेतलं, हा T जर असेल, थीटा असेल, म्हणून ए बी सी sin थीटा घेऊया. sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू AB divided by then opposite side is BC. This is divided by AB. Therefore BC is equal to AB sin theta. AB म्हणजे काय? T. So AB is T sin theta. So therefore this is a T sin theta. Again here. So cos of theta is equal to adjacent side AC upon AB. Therefore AC is equal to AB cos theta. So now what is it? AB T cos theta. So now this one is a T cos theta. So this side is T cos theta and this one is a T sin theta. Therefore, so this is a parallel again this one. So that parallelogram is complete. So therefore, so this one is again T sin. These two are parallel. हे दोन parallel आहेत. हा T sin theta पण हा T sin theta. हा T cos theta पण हाईट इथं जर आपण घेतलं BD is equal to AC. पॅरॅललोग्राम जर केलं आपण तर या ठिकाणी असं This is the t sin theta and this one is the t cos theta. थोडक्यात काय adjacent t is revolved into two components. One is t cos theta vertically directed upwards and another is t sin theta along horizontal. आता बघूया सेम हाही असा की हा थीटा सेम टी कॉस थीटा टी साइन थीटा सिमिलरली here अगेन असं हे करतो टी this theta this also theta t cos theta and this one is a t sin theta. So now we have weight mgw, weight of the liquid. So now this one is a for forces meter, means weight mg is acting vertically downward direction and t is the resultant component t cos theta t sin. So now here when the rise of liquid is stopped here, that means what? Vertical force is equal to downward force. Vertical force is equal. We know about the downward force. Downward force is always weight of liquid. So this weight of liquid from this surface pass this to here. So we are ignoring the weight of liquid on meniscus. या ठिकाणी मी इग्नोर करतोय की weight of liquid meniscus मध्ये किती येतो इग्नोर करून मी सॉल्व्ह करतो. तो जर कन्सिडर केला ते वेगळंच होईल. मग बघूया आपण की बाबा हा weight mg आहे. आता आपण बघूया की बाबा डाउनवर्ड force. So that is equal to weight Fd is equal to m into g. We know about therefore Fd. Suppose आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे डेन्सिटी घनता डेन्सिटी is equal to mass upon volume. So there rho is equal to m upon v. Therefore m is equal to v into rho. So now you have v into rho into g. What is v? Volume. So complete this volume. So this volume is, so this is looking like a cylinder type. हा cylinder type दिसेल. या सिलेंडरचा आपल्याला माहिती आहे volume of cylinder. So area into height means a into h. Rho into h. Therefore, Fd is equal to a pi r square. A complete area है ना, cylinder type है pi r square h height. Rho density of liquid g angular. अगर आपला Fd downward force, say this is equation number 1. So downward force is equal to pi r square into h rho g. आता upward force. So now here this upward force, suppose हा जर असा असेल मेनिस्कस टाइप हा एक असा t cos theta. So now this one element is t cos theta. Again here t cos theta. So now here the number of t cos theta are there. Okay. So we know about the what is surface tension. T is equal to force per unit length. So F is equal to TL. F is equal to TL. So therefore dF is equal to TDL. Now integrating this, when you can take integration. So df, integration of df is f. Integration of t is t. Integration of dl. So this one is small element dl. So when you are integrating all these factors, so this is becomes circumference of circle. So m is equal to t into 2 pi. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय? सो की आपल्याला यामध्ये अपवर्ड फोर्स, सो अपवर्ड फोर्स Fu is equal to, so t 2 pi आणि 2 pi r हा t cos theta आहे, कंप्लीट आहे ना cos theta. So 2 pi r t cos theta. ठीक आपण काय घेतलं होतं आपण, t is nothing but t cos theta. म्हणून हा t cos theta येईल, t cos theta into l, t cos theta into l, t cos theta into dl, t into 2 pi r cos theta. याला आपण dl चं इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं, हे असं येईल. हे थोडक्यात काय, सर्व लक्षात ठेवण्याऐवजी फक्त एवढं लक्षात घ्या, f is equal to tl, t म्हणजे t cos theta, l म्हणजे 2 pi. एवढं लक्षात. So now this one is the upward force. So what I take, f is equal to t cos theta into dl. So you can take integrate dl. So that is a dl is a 2 pi r. Therefore f is equal to 2 pi r t cos theta. So now this one is a upward force. What is that? It is of capital Q. What is t? T is surface tension of liquid. What is theta? Angle of contact. So how? Therefore, so here liquid rises here to stop the layer. याचा अर्थ काय? Upward force is equal to downward force. Balance. आता the component remaining are there, which are t sin theta. So now t sin theta, one t sin theta balance with another t sin theta, one t sin theta balance with in opposite side. So all t sin theta along this capillary tube are balanced with each other. So only remaining is upward. So that is t cos theta. So now here Fu is equal to Fd. What is Fu? So now say this one is equation number 2. 2 pi r t cos theta is equal to F into t pi r square h rho into g. So now note that here I am ignoring the weight of liquid on meniscus. So therefore here 1 pi get cancelled, 1 r get cancelled. Therefore 2t cos of theta is equal to r h rho g. So therefore t is equal to r h rho g upon 2 cos theta. r h rho g. So now this one is the surface tension. So with the help of this, in a practical way, we can calculate the surface tension of given liquid. So h is height of liquid column, rho is density of liquid, g is acceleration due to gravity, theta is angle of contact. So now we have to say again height. Height h is equal to 2t cos theta divided by r rho g. 2t cos theta divided by r rho g. So now this one is a rise of liquid, that is height. So with this formula we can calculate the height of liquid column. So we know about T of liquid, surface tension. So we know about R and substitute the value of rho and g, acceleration due to gravity. Theta is angle of contact. For pure water, take theta is equal to 0 degree. But when you can say about, so for mercury liquid, so in mercury liquid, so this theta is 140 degree. So this will be obtuse angle. Therefore, cos of 140, so that will be complete, the value is negative. Therefore, h becomes negative. So, h becomes negative, that means what? That means that, so there is a fall of liquid. Fall of liquid. So, that is a catalytic reaction. And if theta is less than 90, so therefore, h is positive. If h is positive, so that is a rise of liquid. H पॉझिटिव्ह असेल राइज ऑफ लिक्विड असेल, H निगेटिव्ह असेल फॉल ऑफ लिक्विड असेल. मग हे कधी होईल? व्हेन इज ऑब्च्युअस, म्हणजे काय विशाल कोन मध्ये असेल तर हे काय होईल, तो लिक्विड फॉल होईल. आणि लघु कोन असेल लिक्विड काय होईल, राइज होईल. सो नाउ दिस वन इज इट. आता यामध्ये आपण व्हेन यू आर कन्सिडरिंग अबाउट दिस कंप्लीटली, we are considering about the weight of liquid on meniscus. आता यामध्ये meniscus कसा आहे? So now this one is इथून घेतलं होतं ना हाईट खाली. So we are considering about this weight. So now this one is the R is the radius. R is the radius of hemisphere. हेमिस्फियर म्हणजे अर्धा स्फियर आहे आपली. नंतर इथे आर आहे आणि इथे आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ, इट इज आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ. सो नाउ दिस वन इज ए height of cylinder small r. This one is the radius of hemisphere. This one is the radius of cylinder. Now see about this in detail. So there, आता यामध्ये आपल्याला व्हॉल्यूम बघायचं आहे. व्हॉल्यूम, या व्हॉल्यूम मध्ये हा सिलेंडरचं काय पाय आर स्क्वेअर एच व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ मेनिस्कस व्ही पाय आर स्क्वेअर एच. आता एच काय घेतलं आपण, पाय आर स्क्वेअर प्लस हेमिस्फियर. वी नो अबाउट व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल स्फियर 4/3 पाय आर क्यूब. हेमिस्फियर म्हणजे हाफ स्फियर. Now here pi r cube plus here 4/6 pi r cube. So now v is equal to pi r cube is common. Therefore 1 plus 4/6. So here 6 plus 4 10/6 into pi r cube. 2 into 3. Yes, okay. So this 6 plus 4 10/6. So therefore 10/6. So now here 5/3 pi r cube. So now this one is a 5/3. So no, एवढाच बघायचं ना आपल्याला. So we have to say only this. Therefore you can take a minus sign here and here and here. So therefore 6 minus 4, so that is 2 and 2/6. So that is 1/3. So now V is 1/3 pi r cube. So this V is equal to pi r cube. So this can be substituted where here. So pi r square, where it is our pi r square downward force. FD is equal to FU. Pi r square H rho g plus 1/3 pi r cube is equal to pi r cube rho g is equal to, हे झालं यामध्ये ऍड केलेलं आहे. रो जी आहे हा व्हॉल्यूम आहे, फक्त रो जी ने ऍड केलेलं आहे. नंतर ना एफडी आहे तसाच 2 pi r t cos theta. So now we are considering about theta is equal to 0 degree. You consider about so only t 2 pi r t. So now 1 pi get cancelled. So 1 r get cancelled. So therefore here r h rho g plus 1/3 r square rho g is equal to 2t is equal to 2t. So now again here h rho g, here r square. Okay. So now here again we have to see about r rho g is common. R rho g is common. So therefore h is remaining h plus here 1/3 and r square. Instead of r here you only can take r. So is equal to 2t. So therefore h plus 1/3 r is equal to 2t upon r rho g. H is equal to 2t r rho g, 2t r rho g minus 2t r rho g minus r by v. It's not complete. So now this one is a complete. We are thinking about the height of liquid column. Complete, considering about weight of meniscus and complete this weight. Complete everything. But here I have taken about only this, applied only for liquid case, that is say water. Water साठी मी हा अप्लाय केला आहे 2t r rho g minus r by 3. 2t r rho g minus r by 3 हा एक स्पेशल केस म्हणून कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. आता here I have taken why minus आहे because volume we are concerned about volume of meniscus. Volume of meniscus आपल्याला कन्सिडर करायचे म्हणजे काय पहिलं कंप्लीट याचा घेतो कोणाचा सिलेंडरचा what is volume of cylinder pi r square h pi r square into r minus so volume of this hemisphere so what we एवढं राहतं हे जे आहे हे एवढं शेडेड रिजन आहे. So this one is the volume of this shaded region. Is it clear? So I have calculated this volume of shaded region. So this pi r square r minus 1/2 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this will be it. Any doubt? So today we can stop here.